keep on trapping. Even in the pandemic, you gotta keep on trapping.
We got the Trailblazer right here in the background. Boom, look at that, nothing but wheels back here, man. Damn. Let's get this camera tilted a little more. Hi. Man, we got the Blazer out. There it is. My brother's Nissan. I always tell him he'd like his truck a lot more if he drove a Chevy, but he's like, oh, no, no, no. I told him, I say, you say that until you start driving a Chevy, and you're like, damn, yeah, I get it. But look, they got the Beetle out, the red Beetle out here. It's red as hell, too. Got it. Dirt bike. Man, the old Lincoln over there in the other lane. We got the Slug Bug. It's hella bright red. It looks good too. Let's see. Let's get down here, guys. This Mustang sitting down here.
Got that YouTube video rolling?
It is too.
Wow. What's your channel?
Trap My Ride. Man, that's the Saline right there. That's the SC281. I'm pretty sure of it. Look, they got the old school 5.0 out. Charger RT sitting down there. We gotta get the Saline on here. Look at this, guys. This looks good. Yeah, it is a S281. Man, this thing's nice, brother. Supercharged S281. Just jam it, man. Everybody's having a good time. Look at this. Man, there it is. Got the trucks out. Need to tie here a whole group of people standing back there. I don't know if I'd be doing that. Got the bikes out. There it is. Boom. You heard it. Got the Camaro up there. Silverado's up here. Man. Yeah, let's hear it. Let's get the pipes on this. That'd be nice. Let's get these pipes, guys. Yeah, he turned it on. We're gonna go back here. Man, listen to it. You can hear it already. Man, that thing's slick, brother. Yeah, let's check it out. Let's hear it right here while we got it right here. Man, that is nice, guys. That is nice. Look at that. Supercharged S281. Got the 5.0. Yeah, but he's gonna let us look under the hood, guys. So let's check it out. Let's come around here.
Sounds better.
Yeah, let's hear it. Yeah. Ooh, that does sound mean. Let's hear that. Damn, we'll get a peek of that. This is that, guys. Yeah, that is insane, guys. That is awesome. Awesome, awesome, awesome. That's beautiful, too. Look at this. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. So what's it pushing? Do you know?
About 550.
550? Damn, man, that's a lot. It does real good with it too, doesn't it?
I gotta find tires to keep hold of it.
I bet so. Thank you guys very much.
You're welcome.
If you guys want to see it, it'll be on my blog. It's Trap My Ride on YouTube. Yep, so you'll be on there. It'll be a couple days, but you'll be on there.
Awesome.
Thanks, guys. Have a good night. Be safe. So that was pretty cool, guys. We got a view of the Mustangs back there. That was real nice. That'd be a good clip. We're gonna get back up this way. Same vehicles. We got the Chevys in line.
Flat, man.
What's that? You want to hear it?
I got 112.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right, we'll turn it on. He wants to hear it. Let's hear it. He wants to hear it.
Yeah, I was gonna say bump it.
All right. Here, you want to be my camera guy for a minute?
Yeah, I can.
Brian, be my camera guy for a minute.
Does this turn the right way?
You can turn it on.
I'm a sucker for system. That's it. So this guy wants Jeremy to demonstrate a system. And here we go. Vibration is intense. Get the backseat stop. Oh shit, sorry, Brian. Juice box should be getting here any day. up, Jeremiah? You trapping or what?
Take your seat up a little bit. That's good. Alright. Audio DSP, 20 stuff, another 50,
That's loud, it shakes me.
Say, stay safe and keep trapping.
Stay safe and keep trapping.
Good job, son.
Alright, hold the camera for a minute. This guy, he's got 112 in here. We're gonna go see what he's got. We're gonna go hear his 112. It's probably a sundown or something crazy. So we're gonna go check it out for a second. Alright guys, here we go. Let's see, where's he at? Let's see, where'd he go? Oh yeah, he's got this little thing. He got 112 in here. There ain't no air in this thing. It's the size of the box. Let's check it out. There's a Honda Civic. Yeah, it is too, man. He's still got the paper plate on it too. That's funny as hell. It's a Honda Civic SI, I think. Oh yeah. What kind of 12 is that? What kind of 12 is that?
Sundown.
Yeah, I figured it's sundown. Yeah. Let's check it out. Oh yeah. It's still hitting like hell though, man. You get that worked out. I can tell you, you had the paper plate on it still. You get that worked out, this fucker's got hammered, man. For real.
That's a custom built 64K box.
Yeah. Hell yeah.
So I spent $600 on the box alone.
Damn. How much juice you got running to it?
2.
Yeah.
But I'm only running 4-gauge wire right now because I don't have an extra battery.
Right.
So
it's still hitting damn good. Real good.
not bad.
Yeah, hell yeah. That's real good.
But yeah, if you
Yeah, the sundowns are badass, man. I wish I had bought them. That's what I had in there. I'd have put 4 sundowns in there.
Yeah.
For real. But that's nice as hell. But yeah, if you want to see the video, man, check out Trap My Ride on YouTube. There's already a bunch of videos out for everything I've done on the Blazer and everything. But yeah, I'll
the juice box is supposed to be coming back, man. So
Yeah.
if you want some video of that.
yeah, we'll get him on here. We'll come back and check him out. Yeah, for real. But we'll get you on the channel, man.
Hell yeah.
That's badass. Oh yeah, we got the vet sitting over here now. We're gonna go over and look at the vet. Look, he's got the vert. There's the Camaro vert back there, the Challenger. We're gonna go over here and check out the vet. We're gonna give this one a go around. Man, he beating like hell. That sundown's badass. Hell yeah. Let's check this out. Man, this thing is nice.
Okay, you gotta start it up. Because he's gonna do the exhaust.
Oh yeah, let's hear it. Here we
See,
go,
he
guys.
completely ignored my car, and I was like, dude, my car.
Good, guys. Man, that's awesome. This thing's so nice. So nice. Man, you still hear that sundown in the background beating.
He's posting it on his YouTube.
Man, this thing is gorgeous.
Oh, they've been awful. I mean, that's all they've been doing.
I know some diesels are quick, but that was
Man, thing's beautiful, man.
There was a high
Thank you.
line, a big line of them.
Man, that thing's great. We got the Mustang GT right here. This is one of my favorite body style guys right there. Man, gorgeous. And it's sitting right here by Sadie. Let's get them all in here. There we go. Man, that looks good, guys. It looks good. It looks good, but we're standing around. Everybody's out. Let's see what we got. I'm gonna walk around this truck. Man, you still hear that sundown beat, man. He's thumping. Man, they got the whole line all the way up. Man, that sundown's beating like hell. You can still hear it. Thump, boom, just rattling. You hear that thing? There it is. Boom. He's knocking in that, man. Knocking. That sundown. Ooh, here we go. Nate! Man, we got the Mustang right here. What's up, man? Sounds good, sounds good. I think we're gonna get in this traffic lane and we're gonna chop and see what we got. There they are. Man, those are so nice back there, so nice. But we're about to get off into this crowd with this motorcycle. Man, he's looking good. There he is, let's get him, boom. There he goes, guys. We're gonna get the Blazer in the background. There it is. Guys, we're about to get in and roll out for a little bit and do this thing. You got anything else to tell him, Chase Klein, before we go?
Yeah, keep on trapping.
Keep on trapping. What about you, Brian Klein?
Keep on trapping, trappers.
Keep on trapping, trappers. You don't have to add the trappers at the end. It's kind of a redundancy, but it's all right, my guy.
I kind of like it.
It's all right. Tell him, keep on trapping. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit that notification bell, right?
Yeah, yes, sir.
All right, we're gonna get into traffic. You guys gonna roll with us?
Actually, I'm gonna head to the house.
Oh, all right. Well, you guys have a night. Good night.
You too, brother.
Thanks for coming out, brother. It's good seeing you.
It's bumping up here, isn't it?
It is. It is.
Man, this is awesome. I hope
told
they do
you.
this all the time. They should bring it back again.
Yeah, but listen, you should come tomorrow night with us if we don't get rained on.
Yeah, very well might. I might come up here and follow you guys around and stuff.
All right, sounds good.
Keep on
All right.
trapping.
Keep on trapping.
All right, brother.
Like, share, subscribe, notification bell.
All right, guys. Later,
All right,
Brian. Be careful, brother.
Yeah, we'll see you, man.
All right, we are back. Facebook, YouTubers, I'm about to pass you off to my camera guy. Facebookers, we're about to get flipped around and go live. Man, we got the good clips. You guys should have seen what went on here. It was awesome. You have to get on YouTube and check it out. The videos will be up soon. But everybody that was here that I didn't get back to wave to, I want to say sorry. Make sure you come back. Keep checking us out. We're still doing it, guys. All right, we're gonna give you back to my camera guy. Here he is.
Check me out, nigga. These niggas, they ain't fucking with me. Hood rich in the building. These niggas talking
Having trapped in Section 8.
All up in my business, when the hell I get it. Long time coming, yeah.
We stand out like bird shit on a black shoe.